Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this vintage camcorder filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and that's it. And suppose you are not getting the effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for vintage camcorder. Okay, on the first row you will see this effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see this record button. You can tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see this effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and in this page tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen. You will be directed to the effect page. Here tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen, and there you go, we got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this vintage camcorder filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.